Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to batch process multiple documents for validation with stamps in Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open the PDF drawings you want to validate or mark with stamps. Let's open these 4 documents for now. To batch process all these documents to mark stamps in a single go to the Batch menu and click Apply Stamp. The Apply Stamp dialog box will appear. Under the Stamp section, you can choose from various built-in Revu stamps. Or you can import your custom stamps from your device's location. Let's use the available stamp templates for now. The stamp you select will appear under the Preview section. Click the Edit button to open your stamp in a separate Revu tab. This white region here is the Visible section, and anything outside this region will not appear in your stamp. Click and drag to expand this area. Now go to the Tools menu, then under Markups, select the Image option to customize your stamp with an image. Now click and drag to apply the selected image. Reduce the unwanted visible space in your stamp. Once you are done, go to the File menu or press Ctrl+S to save the changes. Now go back to the Batch menu and click the Apply Stamp option. Let's select the Revu stamp that we just customized. As you can see, we have only one document added here. To add other open documents in the batch processing, click the Add button and select Open Files to include all your open files. To add more files from your drive, click Add and then click Files. Let's also include one more file. You can also include files from folders and subfolders without opening each of them in Revu manually. You can also include or exclude pages from the batch. This document contains 3 pages. Let's enter a custom range for it. Define the page range, separated by a dash, and add individual pages or discrete ranges, separated by commas. This PDF only has 3 pages. So let's add pages 1 to 2. Under the Stamp section below, you can set the anchor position for your stamp to define where it will appear on your documents. For example, let's add the region 3 by 3 so that our stamp appears at the bottom, right. You can add X and Y coordinates to customize the stamp's location on your document so it won't overlap your PDF content. Set the opacity of your stamp. Cross-check everything and click OK if you are satisfied. Your stamps will be added to your documents in the bottom right corner of all documents included in the batch. You can click and drag your stamps to reposition, just like any other markup or image on your PDF. Go to the Markups list, and here your stamps will appear like other markups and measurements. You can add comments to it to declare the status or purpose of your stamp and improve communication. You can also set custom statuses by right-clicking to include them in a collaboration loop across annotation or design review phases. If you remember, we have another unopened document that we stamped on pages 1 and 2. Let's open it in Revu to see if it's being processed. Here we go. The stamps are only applied on page 1 and 2 that we included in the batch process, while page 3 is still empty. This is how you can batch process multiple documents to stamp them in a single go if you have a Revu Core or Complete subscription. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.